person walks onto scene, a blank expression on their face. You know what I find hilarious? This person speaks to nobody, it appears, until the camera shakes side to side. The person remains blank-faced, the only thing moving being their mouth. All of a sudden their face looks surprised, as if the people watching should have known. Wait. You don't? Camera shakes from side to side again, indicating the watcher really doesn't know. The person gets even more distressed. Well, what am I to do now? My whole purpose of existence was to do this. You were supposed to know. The yelling seems to scare the watcher as the camera starts to shake. The person realizes this and looks regretful. "Oh, I'm sorry for scaring you, I didn't mean to yell. I just ... What am I to do now?" The watcher sounds like they clear their throats as the camera lightly moves up and down. The watcher prepares to speak. "Well, you could always get a job as a pizza guy. I could really go for some pizza right now." The person looks to think on it, before their eyes widen and they stare straight at the camera. "Wait, you are not supposed to talk, dang it. It's all for nothing now." The camera shakes again, but it's less than last time. The person looks more sad than angry. Okay, I'm sorry. We can always reshoot the scene after we get some pizza, calm down." The person looks up from his hands and into the camera again. He looks confused this time. "Reshoot? What do you mean reshoot? Are you feeling okay, bud? You realize we're doing this for school, right?" The person's eyes go wide, and they look around the place. The camera doesn't follow him perfectly as he moves too fast for the watcher's crappy camera skills. "So you're telling me we're doing a skit right now?" The camera moves up and down, causing the person to hold their head, clearly mind blown. What did you think was happening? Who would actually ask someone what they find funny? I don't know about you, but I have never asked that. The person looks up from their hand and they quirk an eyebrow, staring straight into the camera again. Really? Never? Nope, never. Weird. An awkward silence occurs as the person just sits there avoiding the camera with his eyes, possibly embarrassed. The watcher makes a soft click noise with their mouth, that we must guess is him opening it. "So ... Wanna ditch school and get some pizza?" "Yeah, pizza sounds good right now actually." The end.